Hey guys, welcome back to Skillless Vim Revit course. In this video, we'll see how to create spiral, L-shaped and U-shaped stairs. In previous video, we created stairs using the straight run option and create sketch option. If you missed that video, please do watch it. Its link is given in the description. Let's get started with spiral staircase.
To create spiral stairs, go to floor plan, architecture, circulation, stairs. In this, select the full step spiral, start drawing it. You can see that the radius is taken in accordance with the center of the run, right? So as per your requirement, draw that. Okay, click on finish. Go to elevation view to check if the stair is at the desired level or no. If no, click on the stairs, click on edit stairs, click again on the flight and just move the arrow in this way. If you drag it upwards, it creates the complete new stairs in the next level. So be careful with that. Take one step only and click on finish. If you are not able to move this, just change the elevations and when you can drag it properly without duplicating it or creating it in other level, just click on finish. Let me see in 3D view. This is how my stairs look. Next, if I want to change its direction, just click on it. Use the flip option to change. Let me check in my 3D view. It has not flipped. So go to plan, here it is. You have to look for it. It is very keen. Just flip here. Okay, it has flipped now. Go to 3D view. Now I can see that the stairs have been flipped. Right, this is how you can flip your stairs. Right, click on the flip control. If you are unable to see, just zoom in to or zoom out to get the clear flip option here. Okay, next we'll see how to create stairs using center and spiral. Okay, this you can use for semicircular stairs, but the difference is that first you have to create the boundaries, then you have to create the riser. But in the previous stairs, what happened, the stairs and the boundary got created simultaneously. Okay, now I want it to be in a semicircular way. I have clicked and now I'm creating the risers. Okay, it is in this way. Click on finish. Before proceeding, I just want to flip its direction. I want this to be the height. Climbing, this is the upper direction. So if I see in my east view, there is a gap. So what I'll do, I'll just go to my south view. Click on edit stairs. Click on the flight and move the cursor a bit forward. Finish it. And this is the stair. Next, we'll see how to create L-shaped. Go to floor plans, architecture tab, circulation, stairs, L shape. Now I can see that there are 17 numbers, but I'll increase it to 20. Okay, there is some glitch. Okay, it's gone. Now this is the direction, so I'll see it through my south view that there is a gap, so I'll just increase it and give finish. So this is how my L-shaped stairs have been created. Similarly, you can do it for the U-shape. Go to plan, floor plan, architecture, circulation, stair, U-shaped binder. Here you can increase the number. I'll place it here. I'll click on finish. Go to east view, search for the stairs. It's here. Okay. Is it touching the level? No. I'll go to south view for proper, view. Okay, it has gone beyond. Let me just move it back. So here I can see that there is a gap still. Of one step. Just click on edit and move it. Click on finish. Go to level. If you want to flip the direction, use the flip option here. So this was about the spiral and the L shape, U shape stairs. So in previous video we created stairs using the straight option and the sketch option. If you have missed that video, the link is in the description. Please do watch it. See you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We offer full BIM Revit courses. Details are given in the description. See you in the next video.